Hello, brothers and sisters in all over the world. My name is Zerikas Electro. So today I'm gonna share you about some software that is basically the most dynamic type nowadays. So that is I mean that which is MATLAB. So MATLAB is it is a mathematical calculator. So most of the time, many people have the ideology which is basically regarded with the mathematical calculation. So in real life, this MATLAB software is nowadays the most popular and which is highly used in many research centers as well as in academic centers. Not only research in the academic center, in a practical environment, this MATLAB has a versatile advantage, especially for engineering analysis. So today, I will briefly explain about what is a MATLAB and how MATLAB have ability to solve the entire problems which are daily faced in our analysis. So, so the first thing you have to know is this is a MATLAB 2017B. So currently, the software is exaggerated at the level of 2020B. Today it is the 200 I mean 2020b. So here it is a 2017b version. So in every new year the MATLAB software have its own versions. There are two versions. The first version is if the year is 2017, 2017a version, and as well as 2017b version. So now it is all about here the production and the newly updated versions of the MATLAB. So this MATLAB is updated in a daily in every new year. To have two main branches. The first one is it's a MATLAB. Let's say the year is 2021, 2021A, 2021B. The year is 2017, 2017A, 2017B. So the B is the last updated version in that particular year, and the A is the very beginning or the very first version which had been updated from 2016 B. 16B is in a senior, junior for this 70A. The 70B is the last version that particular year. So that is all about the production. But here, let me show you about the versatile advantage of the MATLAB. So these are the works what I made in my which is called live editor. So here I have here MATLAB at home. Here I have new script and new live script, new open and find files and import data, save workspace, new variable, open variable, a clear workspace, analyze code, running time, clear commands as well as assembling boxes here. So most of the time, in assembling boxes, we have to integrate the lines from the assembling dialogues which are entirely presented in that MATLAB version, and we're gonna update an assimilation value. So to do that, let me show you about how in a plot is you have to see about a plot, areas, bars, pie, histogram, semi blocks, similogies or logology here, correct, in a STEM as well as it is called it's what I call it digital and analog system. So here we have to see about the STEM and we have described sequence as well as here we're gonna see about the comet, which is a comet like trajectory. So in order to follow the trajectory or the path of a given object and a given line, we need to use these lines here. So there is the most advanced types of the most advanced level. So let me show you about from the very beginning here. My live still here. Now let me give you how MATLAB is easily solve the entire system. Let's say A is equivalent to my matrix is like say let's say 1 to 3 by 3 matrix for 5 8, and as well as here if I have 7 8 99. So there is my 3 by 3 matrix in MATLAB. so which is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the 3 by 3 matrix means that it is 3 rows and 3 columns in every new variables here. So there is the A matrix, and let me define, or let me find about the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Let's say a determinant of determinant of A is the determinant of A is already here. So let me get the determinant value by here in live editor. I have here run as well. So there is my 3 by 3 matrix. Now my A matrix is A at the column here 4, 4 4 4 4 5 4 5, 4 1 2. So there is 1. So from here my determinant is by running the all sections. So after a certain second, my determinant for my 3 by 3 matrix is appeared in such a manner. After so there is something false. So here I have sorry, so 1 4 5 8, and here I need to separate here. So now no problem. So let's have you got the problem here? So the matrix is now separated here. So now I separated the H and individual point is in here. So yes, so let's say my matrix is like the A matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3, and the second matrix is second row second column. Second row first column is 4, second row second column is 5, second row third column is 8, and third row first column is 7, third row second column is 8, and third row the third column is 99. So the determinant of this matrix is the negative 258. So there is the matrix is determinant. So what about the eigenvalue and the eigenvector of this eigenvalue of this A matrix is the eigenvalue. So now for this matrix here, you have to see my A matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 8 7 8 99, and the matrix is in row and column arrangement, which is arranged in such a way, and the determinant. So what about the eigenvalue and the eigenvector for this particular? So the eigenvalue is appeared after so there is my eigenvalue. So my eigenvalues are 99.9096, negative 48, negative 0.4648, and 5.5535. So after here there is my determinant. So enter. So there is what you call it, my eigen values. So there is my eigen values. So after here, so there is my eigenvalues of my given matrix here. So there is my determinant, and there is my eigenvalues. Now let me find about the determinant, the eigenvalue, and the next thing let me show is easily determined in such a way here. So after this let me take another example. Let's say in a histogram and in a pie chart, let's say A is equivalent to, let's say A is equivalent to 1 ratio 1 ratio